Hello and welcome back to the Craft Mansion. I'm David, and in this video I shall be going through the final part of the crew's journey in KSU's Toy Story musical production. Okay, so the set has been constructed on site, the final touch-ups have been made, so now it's time for you to see it in place as we start preparing for the final days of the production, the shows themselves. Over here, if we zoom in, we see our hidden A113. The movable parts of the set required markings in order for the crew to know where each should go when they changed a scene.
Mela, we can go standby.
Right now we're doing dry runs for the crew. Ooh. We're judging crew and seeing how well they do.
Stand by. Okay. Okay.
Okay. These are things that usually happen in the darkness. So in reality it would be something like this, a blackout with the band playing a small interlude. Once the full toy store was revealed, it would look something like this. So, how would the crew know what needs to be in each scene? Well, backstage there would be everything written like this. I wasn't backstage during the productions, but rather outside the theatre in the prop tent with my own little prop master papers, which told my team and I what props and set would be going in and out of the theatre per scene. And everything was coming together for our official dress rehearsal.
Hi Barbie.
Hi Barbie.
So we have the show going on in the hall, and crew are still covering up the set pieces because they have, well, they've been hit quite a lot. This is our lovely tent, guys. I mean, enough. Like, it's very disorganized compared to last year, but we'll get the hang of it, don't worry.
I found it.
Perfect, proceed. Guys, I'm gonna take you backstage mid-production. The production days part of these videos wouldn't be complete if I didn't show you what it was like during our hardest scene change, going from the bedroom to the toy store in less than a minute.
Man key.
After each production, notes about these scene changes would be given by Emily, who would be overseeing crew from inside the theatre.
I noticed 2.1 to 2.1 your side went to put the MDF and a cast member was right behind the MDF.
Backstage we're supposed to be all black, so we're literally taping away. Okay.
Show night 1 out of 4. It's 3 but 4. We're so excited. Let's go!
Food on stage.
Med stage inspection här i alla fall också.
And show days were over just like that. And before leaving the theatre on Sunday, we had to move every part of the set behind the curtain, as lectures were going to be held there the next morning. The rest of the week is honestly the worst, because the crew has to remove everything we've built and store them away until the following year.
Crew meeting behind theatre!
It's currently 12:15 a.m. and is already down, look. Sad. Nothing more.
Lejna li xkaffa da bil-glu. Ma fuq ma tisfel. I'm still hanging. Also works.
Baqsam il-xkaffa.
Guys, biex lajna l-gloj. Biex lajna l-gloj. Is-serjetà.
Winnie.
If you think this is our storage space, I can tell you that we all wish it was so. No, this was temporary until we crammed everything in a container. The things which weren't going to be stored provided some sure fun entertainment.
I was like, this is my job.
دور to your left. Boom. This place is always a mess. I hate it. Alright, man. Guys, today is the final day where we're gonna film for Students Fest. We just want to show you. We were very worried that the plane would not be taken, but Abigail managed to fit it in her car. No, like apposta.
She'll fix
But
it.
she'll fix it. This plane fit in this car, guys. Anyways, we have the Scrabble pieces as well. Monkeys at the front. And then this is not like the first. Oh, this is not the only trip. Because she's gonna come for the alphabet blocks as well.
I don't know how those are going to fit, yeah? Those don't fit.
Well, they will.
They're very high, yeah?
We're giving you a little update of Coca-Salot. There's just the props left now, which are gonna be taken today. I'm gonna take this home. It will fit in my car, probably. So yeah, literally today is just a full day of me being here and waiting for people to come collect props. Nothing. I'm just filming. You have shot with the monkey going to a lecture, and
Now
yes.
I go to expropriation.
Go what?
Expropriation.
A lecture.
When the government takes your land for compensation
All right, Bianca.
with a public purpose.
How are you feeling, Bianca? It was a week ago where we finished.
A week ago today, I was hungry.
Guess who's going with a wheat plant on the bus?
The only thing I don't want to show. I deserve to be hungry.
Yeah, I managed to get the sheep home. My parents don't know. I'm just gonna take it up and then surprise. And if you'll just allow me, I'm just gonna remove you from there for a bit so I can show you Bianca the sheep in my studio 3 months later, for which I have to thank Daniela, another one of the directors, for letting me keep this prop. It wasn't always smooth sailing. We had to face several problems, as is normal in a project that involves this many people. However, I can say that I am proud of what we managed to produce. None of us get paid to do this kind of stuff, but I can admit that my uni experience wouldn't be anywhere near as complete if it didn't have these types of projects in it. It is what brings students together. Not only have they cemented my love for the craft of theatre productions, but they have also changed the trajectory of my life. So thank you to those who took part, especially this year's crew, who I like to compare to the backbone of any theatre production. That's it from my side. Don't forget to like this video and comment any thoughts you have down below, as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. This is The Craft Mention. I'm David, and this is what Students Fest is all about.